Quinoa has gained a reputation as one of the healthiest grains you can add to your diet. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it's no wonder why people call it a superfood. But did you know that the benefits of quinoa can be compromised depending on what you eat it with? Some food combinations can interfere with digestion and even lead to health issues if consumed regularly. We're diving deep into what happens when you eat quinoa with 3 of the worst possible food pairings. These common foods might surprise you, and understanding how they interact with quinoa could make a big difference in your health. So let's get started and find out which combinations you should avoid. So first worst food you should never combine with quinoa is potato chips. Potato chips are high in unhealthy trans fats, salt, and artificial flavorings. If quinoa is paired with potato chips, for example, in a bowl or dish, it turns a healthy meal into a high-calorie, unhealthy combination. The high fat and salt content in potato chips can lead to bloating and an increased risk of heart disease. This pairing could also increase the risk of cancer due to the harmful acrylamides formed in fried potato chips. Second worst food you never combine with quinoa is cream-based sauces. Cream-based sauces are often loaded with saturated fats, unhealthy oils, and high-calorie ingredients. Pairing quinoa with rich, heavy sauces can overwhelm its heart-healthy benefits, turning a nutritious meal into a calorie-dense, artery-clogging dish. Additionally, high-fat diets have been linked to increased risks of certain cancers, particularly breast and colorectal cancers.